Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and if you're looking for a beautiful ring, definitely check out this one from SHINYSO. I love wearing this because it is the perfect ring for anyone. It looks great with my wedding band, but in case you're not married, it's perfect on any finger. You can easily stack it with other rings. My favorite thing about this is that I've had it for a while and the stones are still intact. Up close you can see how beautiful the design is at such an affordable price. I also really appreciate that every time I wash my hands, I haven't noticed that the ring has tarnished. This ring is so comfortable. I wear it all day, even at night when I'm sleeping, and I can't feel that I have it on. That's the perfect ring. Another great thing is that the ring runs true to size. I have mine in my original size. So this is a great ring if you want to keep it for yourself or give it away as a gift. It's perfect for anyone looking for a dainty, beautiful ring. That's my point of view.